I am sensing a $500 500 pips move on pounds USD and Euro USD. Okay, not maybe not close to 500. Okay, 400, around that area. And this is how I think it's going to happen. So on the 4 hours, this is pounds USD. On the 4 hour, we are bullish because we broke here, and you could see this candle right here. This one, this candle here is important. So that is where I'm starting my swing from, and we have fulfilled the 88.6 fib level according to this point. So the 15 minutes time frame, I'll be hoping for a reversal tomorrow, a drop to this place, this angle right here, somewhere around here. Come on, why is this so slow? Yeah, somewhere around here. I'll be expecting a reversal somewhere around here, and then we'll continue up. Although there is an order block here around here. I hate this trading views, not making sense, right? Okay, around this place. So I will be taking some profit here. And this zone, there is a resistance around here too, a resistance around here. So but all things being equal, I'll be looking for a confirmation in this zone, and then I will be expecting to buy around here. And if there is no confirmation, then we are back to being bearish. But I'm betting on being bullish right now. So on the 15 minutes time frame, hoping if this gets confirmed, it sweeps the high here, and then we stop around this zone, and then we retrace a little bit downwards, and then we continue, we break over and around the 300 target. So if you combine all your pips, it's possible you get to 500 in 2 trades. So yes, it's possible. And on the Euro USD, I also have a similar plan in Euro USD. So on Euro USD, I have the same plan. I think it's also around 500 pips. So the same charts. On the 4 hours time frame, we are bullish too. But I don't think we have the space for 500 pips. All right, so we are bullish on the 4 hour time frame. So the first move could be from here, also 90-100 pips to this point, and then if we break through, though I'll be taking my profit around that place. So if we break through 100-200 pips, the thing, however, is that if we break through this zone, it could be, it could be a little bit okay. All right, so if we break through here, it's possible that we launch something. We launch. This is not a perfect trend line, though. I'm going to use my GAN and my median line to do some analysis. But it's possible that if we break through this, we start a new trend, and that may be the beginning of a new trend upwards. And so let's go to the 15 minutes time frame to see what I am planning for, what I might set up for tomorrow. So of course, on the 15 minutes time frame too, we are also bullish. We're bullish. We broke through this. We broke through the zone. We broke through the zone here. So we are bullish, and I will be expecting something to happen around here in this zone. So what I'll be expecting is I'll be using a 1 minute time frame or 30 minutes probably for my okay. First of all, I may take a trade here. I may do something here to see if it stops around this place. Probably it will stop, but sometimes it has a way of getting back to the 88.6 feet level. So I am also going to be waiting around the 88.6 feet level. Around here. Sorry for the complex color layouts. So something's gonna happen here if I see a confirmation around this zone, and then I will take it, and then we move upwards. And I don't know, I'm just optimistic about some moves. My only problem right now with EURUSD is this arrangement, this stacks of arrangements, these stacks of arrangements, these things, this move right here. It has a way of breaking down. So some of the times we have the markets coming down to the extreme end, and then something will happen, and then we have to go up. So that's my only issue with EURUSD. That's why I'm not committing fully to its bullish campaign. However, I am going to be waiting for something around here, around in this box that is between 1.0053 to 1.052 within that 10 pips. So, but if everything works well on the 4-hour time frame, we may be starting a new trend on EURUSD and pounds USD. And if you look at the weekly time frame too, we are poised for something huge. If we break through this trend line, it may take a while, but if you're sensitive, we can be looking at 400, 500, 1,000 pips. And then you can also apply this to your pounds and to your yen pairs, especially pound yen and USD yen. So I will be updating you guys on my Telegram group. You can join, and it's free. I'm not. They're not signals, but just pointers to position yourself. All right.